So David,
so even if you travel,
we're climbing into the mom. We're recording. So David, you're gonna climb into the attic, and this blue hose. You gotta put in where on the left side, and this red hose goes on the right side. That's for the washing machine. And then you have to send this into the hole that's the furthest one away. So that's for the electrical. So we're gonna pull electrical through the ceiling.
Alright.
And all you need is probably 2 of these connected to each other.
Only 2.
But you have to hold on to it because they'll fall out the wall.
This will?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Damn, this fucking feel like it's a no.
You gotta
I see the drywall.
You gotta step on the roof.
Yeah, I've been up here 9 times.
Oh, you gonna hold it? Nice.
I still see some raccoon poop though.
Ah!
Raccoon poop. Ooh, this motherfucker hot.
I'm melting. Okay, it's somewhere in this area. Oh,
What?
it's over here.
What is?
Okay.
Damn, this shit look like a fire hazard. What the hell?
So there's 2 things I have to do. Something about something and the hole.
This red one's supposed to come out,
Oh yeah, that's coming out.
and he's gonna take that back. Oh,
Why are you taking it out? You just ran it all.
Yeah, but he's using mine.
Okay.
He's gonna take this back. Get his money back.
I am melting.
Alright, pick that red one. I think he said red. Hey, you said red to the left? Yeah. Oh, the red one to the right? Alright, so the red one go right there, where you took it at.
Oh, this is the furthest hole? Okay.
Yeah, where you just took it out at?
Mm-hmm.
That's the red one.
Oh, we don't have a knife?
You don't need a knife. That's black tape.
How do you... What?
Let me see.
Yeah?
Oh, that.
Pull the yellow wire out? Both of them? There's 2!
Yeah, guess you did in life. Now black tape is on there.
It is dark and hot.
I don't care about the dark. But I do care about melting off my little bit of weight I got. Make it melt. I'm melting!
So interesting. What? Do what? I can't get the other one. It won't come up.
Alright, how far? How much?
He's on the phone.
Was you?
No, Joshua was on the phone with his phone rang.
Well, that's good enough. He just wants that orange shit to come up.
That's what he wants?
Yeah, he wanted you to pull this orange one out.
Oh. Oh, so we don't have to use the plastic thing that he got. Okay.
Well, you probably still need that somewhere over that way, wherever that box is.
Oh, is it? So we haven't even gotten to the part yet. To the
Nope.
hard part.
So that's the red one. This the blue one.
Oh, the blue one's still attached.
Yep.
And it's entangled. Captured. So sweaty.
Yeah. That motherfucking tape is on there. Shit.
That might be in the way.
Alright, now I gotta untangle it.
Come on, get your ass in there.
Oh yeah. Now what?
I don't know.
Oh, now you gotta do the chandelier.
Do the chandelier.
My mom wants you to put it in her chandelier. It goes like somewhere right here.
What are you gonna come up there and tap this into? Yeah. What you mean? What is it? Hold on. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, what did you say? You want to keep pulling it? That's what we was asking you. Yeah, we pulled it to the orange. Hold on. You got to put it straight up in the pillow because that shit is starting to cut. And then there's going to be some fire up in this one.
Hey, did you want to use this? You might as well use this old blue thing, huh?
What blue?
The blue and red.
Oh yeah, they're the same. So I'll just put one in, both of them in.
And this is the water line right here. So I have to cut this, or shut the water off, drain it, cut these, and put the shark bite stuff I have in there. So, Joseph, speak into the camera. So now, since we have the wire up here, we have the wires up here. Now we have to run it to the outside. So we have to find where the box is by my room where the circuit breaker is. Come on, let's go. Come on, Reg, we need your slender body. Call you Slender Man. Get over the wood.
What wood?
The wire back there because it's snagging.
Oh.
We almost stepped down there on the drywall. We do.
Well, how bad you think the brakes could be? It's torn right here. Just the paper and the outer coat. Look.
You ain't got no black tape?
Oh, I got some in my pocket.
Yeah, this is black tape. That's fine. Now over there
Yeah, it's fine with the
is
thing.
where your box is at. That's your room. All this right here.
Mm-hmm. So,
And way down there
no,
is where the fucking
oh shit. Come on, Red, don't step on the pipes.
is where the box is at. I had climbing this shit. I was itching for days.
I'm glad you're doing it.
You got wire that hanging across this shit up here.
Oh. Alright, pause it. Hey, you gonna go down there?
Yeah, I'll go down there.
Take this one.
You know this.
You gotta take the camera with you. As long as it's the one that's going down.
Well, there's a lot of holes over here going down. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wow.
Some of them are empty.
Some of them are empty. I don't know if those holes are going to the box outside.
It looks like all of them going to that box. They right next to other power lines.
Put it in your foot. Wrap your foot in it.
What?
The right one.
Oh, I'm pulling it with me.
You ain't got to go too far. Just hand it to me behind.
Oh, he wants to record it, Reg.
Oh, well, he ain't going to be able to get up in here and do that.
Yeah, I don't think so
Can you
either.
set it up, Reg, and record it?
I can up.
Yeah. Give it to him, brother.
He's like, shit is this?
Alright, Reg. I'm just trying to.
Oh,
Here, Reg.
Oh, I'm sweating like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
That's why they charge so much money.
Yeah. Oh, I bet.
Oh.
Is it going?
Well, it's going in the hole, but I don't know if it's going where he needed. But it seems like it might need to be pulled from the bottom.
You want that pole thing?
No, I mean, this I can push in,
Oh, yeah.
but you see it? Oh, well, I pushed it in as far as it's going. Well, I'm in the attic, so like towards my left. There's a big fat black wire next to the one I just threw in there. See this orange one? You don't see the orange wire that like 20 bucks?
Down already. Pushed on it. I gotta move this.
Okay, here we are. This is like terrible cotton candy. Joshua, what do you think? Okay. Dang it. I don't think I'm pushing it. Dang it. It's not moving. It's in the same one it was. No, it's in an empty one. Don't pull on it. Pull it out. Yeah. So what should I do? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 holes that have 3 wires in them, Oh, there's 3 holes that have 3 wires in them. Yeah, those ones are. This one is not. Dang it. I can't get it out. It's stuck.